You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. Right now, Bitcoin is sitting at $44,900 level approximately at this area. We are seeing massive explosion in the market from this area. And then if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, we are seeing the market trying to move up from here. And then looking at ETH USDT, we see market exploding as well with this very resistance at this point of $3,375 level at this area. So what should you expect right now in the market on BTC, USDT, and on Ethereum, relating them to the BTC dominance chart right here? So all of this in today's video. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, and also check the channel for other informative and educational content. So let's dive right into today's video. If you look at this very area on the 3 days time frame, I talk about a massive explosion from this area in my previous video last week, and right now this is what we are seeing in the market at this area. And I also talked about yesterday that it is a good time to buy BTC. If you buy Bitcoin here either yesterday or last week, you should be in massive profit right now. So congratulations if you are following the updates on this channel. So if you look at it, we see a very important strong resistance level at this area that I am looking out for. At this point, we see resistance at this area, we have support here, and then if you go right down, we see support at this area and then resistance from this area. So when market is coming into this very level, we could see resistance on this very area as well. So this level of $52,000 and $53,000 level of Bitcoin is very important level to watch out for. So what I am looking out for right now is massive explosion to the upside on the longer time, and then momentum tends to increase to the upside right now. So on the immediate short term on Bitcoin, if you look at this, we are seeing the market exploding to the upside at this area. But something very important is that if you look at this area I talked about in my previous video, this is a supply level market come back down. So when market approach this level, we do not see any move. The sign that sellers are in the market. What we see right here is a breakout with this very strong bullish candle, which indicate that the bears are not longer strong in the market and the bulls are very much willing to push the market to the upside. That is why we are seeing this massive explosion. Something very important right here is there is a divergence coming into the market using the MACD at this area. So if you move the cursor from here to this area, we are seeing divergence coming into the market right now, and you see from here to the upside, we see market moving right up. So possibly we should be expecting a possible retracement to the downside before a continuation in the market. That means that if you did not take a trade right at this consolidation level, when market explodes to the upside from this point to this level, then it will be wise you wait for market to retrace a little bit to the downside before you take your trade. So I am looking at the market after the confirmation of this divergence that I am looking out for in the market right now. On the immediate short term, I want to see the market come back right a little bit down to retest this level before explosion to the upside again on BTC USDT chart. Now if you look at the Bitcoin dominance at this area, we are seeing the market tends to move right here with this very bullish candle at this area. So what I am looking out for is if we see a breakout on this resistance, then that means market will explode much more to the upside after a break on this very resistance level. We have seen the market consolidate within this area for a short period of time, and right now it is time for the market to move up, or we will see the market come back down. But what I am looking out for is the market break this level so that we see more move on BTC to the upside. Looking at Ethereum at this area, you see there is no much momentum on ETH at this very point. Reason because it is approaching a very key supply level and a very strong resistance level at this area. So within this region, I am looking out for a possible retracement to the downside before continuation as well on ETH. More on ETH analysis is coming tomorrow, so watch tomorrow's video. This is what I am looking out for on Bitcoin on the long run, and then on Bitcoin on the immediate short time right at this area. So if you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification. And then if you've not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, link in the description right now, and do your registration. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.